Hello students, this is Aarti Goyal and today we are going to discuss about adventures. In this topic we will learn about mountaineering, equipment and tools, expeditions and adventures, other adventurous activities. So let's start. Adventure basically means an activity that gives you exciting and unusual experience. First is mountaineering. A mountain is an elevated landform above the surrounding land in an area. Mountains are made of rocks and soil. High elevations on mountains produce colder climate than at sea level. Climbers suffer from frostbites due to the freezing weather. Long falls from cliffs into deep crevices are obvious danger. Climbers of Mount Everest often suffer from mountain sickness caused by the absence of oxygen due to the extreme high altitude. Second is equipment and tools. Some mountaineering tools are indispensable and you can't do without them. Here are a few. Crampons. Crampons are small plates of metal set with spikes. They are fastened to the foot to give a better grip while walking on ice. Footwear. Common footwear on climbing expeditions are double boots with a hard plastic shell and softer insulating liner. Ropes. Ropes diameters typically range from about 7.6 mm to more than 10 mm. Slender ropes may be used single or in pairs. Harness. A harness secures a person to a rope or an anchor point. Belay device. Belay devices are mechanical pieces of climbing equipment used to control a rope during belaying. Expeditions and adventures. Today, mountaineering in the Himalayas has flourished at a tremendous pace. Every year, a few thousand people graduate from various Indian mountaineering institutes. Their aim is to either set a career in the sport or simply scale the high peaks in the Himalayas. Every year, alpine or non-alpine mountaineering expeditions are attempted on peaks. Other popular adventurous activities. Gliding, parasailing, skiing and trekking are some of the many other adventure sports and hobbies that are popular around the world. Gliding. It is a recreational activity and competitive air sport. In this, pilots fly a unpowered aircraft known as gliders or sailplanes using naturally occurring currents of rising air in the atmosphere to remain airborne. Parasailing. Parasailing is an activity involving a parachute and a boat. A person is attached to a parachute and then tied to a motorboat which drives off. Skiing. It is a recreational activity or mountain sport that involves moving over snow by using skis. Trekking. Trekking is a long, adventurous journey undertaken on foot. It is done mainly in areas where common means of transport are not available.